Is it the right time to make a decision on QQQ ETF? Today, we're delving into QQQ with a more comprehensive analysis than our initial report from Wednesday, April 10th, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay updated on crucial updates that could impact your investments. Optimize your trading choices with our new AI stock analysis tool driven by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI for free price predictions and in-depth analysis on 25,000 companies globally. Remember, this video is purely for information purposes and should not be taken as financial advice. Since April 10th, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a sell candidate with a score of -4.60. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. We will closely monitor this evaluation to observe its progression in the upcoming days. The ETF is currently situated in the lower part of a narrow and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Breaking the lower trend floor at $435.12 could signal a slower rate of ascent and possibly a trend shift. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 6.94% change, with a potential return ranging between 6.15% and 10.31% based on the current trend. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an anticipated 34.71% change, suggesting a potential return between 1.71% and 38.88%. This could lead to a price range of $533.56 to $608.81 in a year's time. Our latest update on QQQ reveals that the ETF has been downgraded to a sell candidate. On the last trading day, Wednesday, 10th April 2024, the QQ ETF price decreased by 0.87%, dropping from 442.40 to 28.37. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.678%, ranging from a low of 436.28 to a high of 439.24. While the price has seen an increase in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains down by -1.12% overall for this period. Trading volume surged by 22 million shares on the last day, despite the decline in prices, indicating a potential increase in risk in the coming days. A total of 61 million shares were exchanged, amounting to around $26.77 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $449.03, with the lowest at $309.89. At present, the price stands at 2.44% below the 52-week high, amounting to $10.97, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are limited technical positive signals for the QQQ ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. Resistance levels are seen at $4.03 and $4.18, with buy signals possible if these levels are surpassed. A recent sell signal was triggered on Friday, March 22, 2024, resulting in a -1.79% decline. Further downward movement is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MAD, adds to the bearish outlook. It is noteworthy that volume increased on declining prices, signaling caution and the need for closer monitoring of the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 109 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 96 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQ. QQQ has a support level at $435.34, backed by accumulated volume, presenting a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when this level is tested. The ETF typically exhibits controlled movements with low risk due to good liquidity. In the previous day, it saw a $2.96 price range, or 0.678%, while over the past week, the average daily volatility was 1.43%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's review some key fundamental data. First up, the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A lower PE ratio may indicate reduced expectations for the company's future or an undervalued stock, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's explore potential day trading levels for QQQ. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ stands at $439.02. If you're not currently invested, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For current holders, this level could be ideal for swing trading. Conversely, QQQ faces its initial support level at $435.34. Should this support hold, it might present a favorable entry point with a potential rebound in sight. We have determined that this ETF has received a negative evaluation, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been implemented. Should you consider investing in the QQQ ETF? Despite some positive indicators, the QQQ ETF currently shows several negative signals, leading us to anticipate weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have revised our evaluation of this ETF to a negative outlook, shifting from a buy to a sell candidate due to minor technical weaknesses. Upon analyzing recent market volatility, our systems indicate that the current price of the QQQ ETF is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, April 11th, we predict that QQQ will open with a decrease of net of 47 cents, initiating trading at $437.96. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment actions. Presenting our current perspective on the stock. Share your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Let us know your target for the ETF in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead from all of us here at Stock Invest.